Action! Action! Cut. Action. Cut.
आज के सीन के बारे में एक ऐसा सीन है जहाँ मैं अपने दोस्त को एक जहाँ मुर्दे रखे होते हैं वहाँ लेके जाता हूँ और उसको बोलता हूँ कि एक मुर्दे की उंगलियाँ काट के ले गया, तो वो डर जाता है। तो मैं उसको प्रोवोक करता हूँ और बोलता हूँ कि तू डरपोक है, तो इसलिए वो जाता है और फिर काट के लेकर। तो ये सीन आज का वैसे था।
Can you tell us a little bit about your role in this movie, sir?
Well, it's about a convict actually. He's a very hardcore criminal. And Jackie is a cop and his son has bone marrow cancer. And the only match for Jackie's son is me. And we are the worst of enemies. And he says that I have to come to Bombay to have the operation, and I agree to it because I can escape from there. And how I escape from there is that whole story of, and eventually how I come back and help the child out.
इस रोल में क्या स्पेशल था जो आपको अट्रैक्ट किया? काम से स्पेशल?
अनप्रिडिक्टेबल कैरेक्टर है ये।
आपने पहले भी कन्विक्ट प्ले किया हुआ है तो
नहीं, मतलब अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है, मतलब इससे डर भी लगता है, हंसी भी आती है इससे।
इस किस्म का रोल आपने पहले भी किया हुआ किसी पिक्चर में?
इस किस्म का तो नहीं किया।
अच्छा, आप अपने इसमें जंग जो टाइटल है इसका, तो इन योर कंटेक्स्ट व्हाट डज जंग मीन फ्रॉम योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू? जंग किसके साथ है आप?
जंग जैकी के साथ है।
सर पहली बार जो शिल्पा शेट्टी के साथ
जी
सर फर्स्ट टाइम यू आर वर्किंग एज अ ऑपोजिट या दिस आर जस्ट
फर्स्ट टाइम
you are working opposite to Shilpa Shetty.
हाँ।
So how you feel about it? What you got experience about it? Like what kind of
Well, I've just done one small scene with her, and what I feel is that I can say she's a very nice person, and I've seen her other films and she's a good performer.
What about the experience with your other co-stars, most of whom you worked with earlier?
Like whom?
Jackie Shroff, Aditya Pancholi, Raveena Tandon.
Very good actors. Jackie, so you know, he's worked in a lot of films. I've done a lot of films with him. And with Aditya, I've done Atish, and he's a very good performer and really works hard.
And Raveena?
Raveena also. I mean, I've seen a gradual change in her over the years, and she's quite different in this film. She's playing a mother of a child, so it's
So what is it about Sanjay Gupta as a director that you want to meet?
Number one, he's like a younger brother to me. He's a hard worker and he's a brilliant technician. And as long as I'm there, I'll work with him. As long as he needs me.
Okay, what do you think will be the highlight of this film? इसमें कुछ different होगा that do you think the directors can make something different in this movie?
हाईलाइट इन द फिल्म इज आई थिंक बल्ली's कैरेक्टर. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, वो बहुत अनप्रिडिक्टेबल आदमी है. वो आप हंसेंगे तो बंदूक निकाल देगा कि क्यों हंसता है तू, नहीं हंसेंगे तो बंदूक निकालेगा क्यों नहीं हंसता है तू. तो थोड़ा क्रेजी कैरेक्टर है.
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सीन है. लाइक यू ऑल नो, आई एम इन लव विद संजय दत्त एंड we're scared that we're going to get caught, and he's playing a killer in the film. And there's a sequence where he tells us, that's Neeraj ji and me, to get out of his lives because he thinks that we're scared. And that's where I feel very offended because I think that he doesn't trust my love. And there's this major aggressive scene with him where I tell him that, how can you tell me to get away from your life? And very good scene.
What kind of character are you playing in this?
Very aggressive, very hardcore, and a girl who lives on the edge. Well, you can imagine how aggressive she could be if she's in love with a hardcore killer like Balli, Sanjay Dutt in the film, who everybody is really shit scared of, and she's the only one who's not scared of him and who can talk to him on a one-to-one basis. So,
Tell us about the experience of working with the various artists in this film.
well,
Sanjay.
this is my first film with Sanjay, and I've done a film before this which is called Das, but that film is not going to see the light of day. But it's great fun working with him. He's very happy-go-lucky and very cooperative. And Neeraj ji is a very fine artist, and I love working with him. He's really lots of fun to work with.
Tell us about have you heard the music in this film?
Yeah, there's just one song that's been recorded right now, and She Gives Me Fever. That's my song with Sanju, and it's quite an awesome song, a very good song.
How many songs are scheduled to be recorded?
Well, I think I have three or four songs in this film. Yeah.
You're working with two Sanjay that time, the first
Yeah, yeah.
director also. Huh?
Yeah.
Experience of working with him.
Sanjay Gupta, I think, is really very good. And I don't mean to just give him lip service, but technically I think he's done a very good job. I just happened to see the rushes of the film yesterday, and I was like really taken aback. And he's done some tremendous work in this film, and I've really enjoyed working with him.
Apart from this film, which are the other projects that you're really looking forward to?
Well, right now I've very reduced on the number of films, and I'm looking forward to the release of Pardesi Babu, and that's going to be the next online. Very good role in that film. Then I'm also looking forward to Dhadkan and this film.
Why is Shilpa Shetty not doing any movies where the story might have worked out?
Well, who's told you that?
Enlighten us.
Better late than never. And I am doing a few films where I've got very important characters, very important roles. And that's the reason I've reduced on the number of films also, because there's no fun doing a film when there's no job satisfaction, So,
Which are the kind of roles that you would like to do?
anything that gives me a scope to perform, See, the length of the role is really not important. I'm doing a film called Dhadkan, which happens to be a love story, and the heroine happens to be a very important aspect in the film. So I'm really looking forward to that film very much.
जो जगह ही नहीं रहती।
मैं दिखाता तेरे को, मैं दिखाता है, मैं करता नहीं, मैं करता, मैं करके आता है, मैं जाएगा।
Correct. One more. Just the last bit.
Correct. Okay.